Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sephra Korea and hit the bell icon for regular notification.
Welcome to Sephra Korea's channel. This is Sephra's mom, Marilyn Korea. Today I am going to make Kane, that is lady fish curry. Lady fish curry with coconut milk. Okay. Now this is the lady fish. I bought half kg. You know, I got it clean in the market, but I have thoroughly washed it. You see the stomach, the head, the gills have to be taken out. Okay, this is half kilo. And to save time, I've already put salt and kept it to marinate half an hour past. Okay, very important. All the excess water will come out. Now I will show you the masala. I've already taken out the milk of half a coconut. This is the thick and this is the thin milk. Okay, from that half coconut I have taken out 2 tablespoons separately because for grinding. I've taken 2 tablespoons of coconut from the half coconut that I scraped. This is the 5 red chilies and just a little tamarind because I'm putting 1 tomato. I'm putting 5 garlic cloves. Okay, and this is for cooking actually, and 2 green chilies. There's no grinding. Now these are the things you have to grind. And five peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of dry coriander, half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, jeera. The chilies, usually you can soak it in water and put it. I'm putting all this ingredients which I showed you and grind it with water, of course, and a little bit of turmeric. That's it. I have to put a little water because it has to grind to a thin paste. I think that much water is enough. You have to judge how much water. A little more. Don't put much because I have your milk of the coconut. I'm cooking the lady fish Kane. Now look, I have not put the vessel on. I just put this tomato, small one, which I have cut. Put this raw onions. Slit this 2 chilies. Put half a teaspoon salt because I've already put salt in the, and smash it. No seasoning, okay? You smash it. Now I have to put this ground masala in this. Put some water in this and now light the gas. I put it on medium high. No putting oil. Okay. I will put the water which is sufficient to dip all the half kg fish. Okay, I have to put the thin milk which I had taken out. I told you this. Okay, now just check how much water you want to put in that because it should not become very watery. I think I'll put little more water. See, enough. Now let it boil. Okay, there is a thick milk which I'll put later on. Now let this boil. All the masala is in it. After that I will put fish. it is boiled, so I have to put. I put the gas on high now. This has cooked for 5 minutes. I can put it off now. Okay, and then cover it.
Simmer.
Not simmer. Once it is done, 5 minutes is enough. Don't overcook, because fish doesn't require much time to cook. And this is lady fish, very delicate. I think it's got its name because it is like that. I'll put it off. Put it off. So, I'll make the chapatis. Yeah. Sorry, my dear viewers, I just forgot about this. Of course, once it comes to boil, I forgot about this thick milk. You have to just pour and not boil it too much. You see? Just let it come. Sorry, I forgot this. Just. Okay. It is cooked, but this milk has to be poured after it is cooked. Yeah. Just let it come to one boil, okay? Because it shouldn't be boiled. The thick milk, when it is put, it shouldn't be boiled too much. The fish is cooked. That's enough. See, it has come to a boil. I'll put it off and cover. Done.